Okay, let's try the last question. They ask calculate the size of angle FDC, angle FDC. Well, you know about finding angles. We've got to find gradients and then go, because the tangent of an angle is equal to the gradient, we just have to go shift tan and we'll get the angles. But we'll need the angles of inclination. We'll need the angles of inclination. So let's give AB a try. Up here, you see, it's a parallelogram. So if we can get this angle up here, we'll have the other angle down there. So let's see here. So you go 6 minus 5 over minus 2 minus 1, and you get 1 over minus 3, negative 1/3. But therefore, DC must have a gradient of minus 1/3. And I'm not quite sure why they should have said, because AB is parallel to BC anyways, but that's pretty self-evident, I guess. But that's what makes the gradients the same, because the lines are parallel. Now, all we do to get this angle, and it's an angle right here, so you can get a better picture of it. We need this angle right here. I did it myself, and I called the angle beta right there, that big angle there. Now, how do we get that angle? We go shift tan of negative 1/3. We add 180, and we get what's called the angle of inclination there, right there. And I called it beta. But it's angle O. This is O. I think there's an O. That's 0, ODC. Now, what about FD? Oh, we know that. We know that the gradient of FD, we've done it before, is minus 2. So we do the same thing. Shift tan of, I'll do it in a different color here. I'll do it in green. This angle here, the angle of inclination here from the horizontal to there, is shift tan plus 180. It's 116 degrees. And if we take that blue angle and we subtract the green angle, we're going to get that angle that we want, which is angle FDC. 161.57 minus 116.57, we get 45 degrees. And that's how you calculate the angle. Two angles, or how you calculate the angles. They always have two you always take find the two gradients, find the angles of inclination, and 9 times out of 10, you just subtract them and you always get the answer. But you should see it in the picture, like get a better idea. That big angle of inclination minus the smaller angle of inclination. And there you go. That's it.